In this video, we're going to look at the concept of electronic structure for chemistry. Now, this is very important. After going through this video, I guarantee you guys that you'll be able to represent the electronic structure of elements, particularly the first 20 elements, okay, for chemistry. Having known that, let's go into the details of the video. Alright, so remember, looking at the concept of electronic structure. Okay. Now, let's begin with the electronic structure of sodium as an example. Alright, so sodium atom. As we all know, sodium is made up of 11 atomic number. So let's draw the atomic structure of sodium. Okay, so it's going to be something like this. So this is the first shell. It has the nucleus at the center, which is made up of protons and neutrons. So as we all know, the first shell contains a maximum number of what? 2 electrons. It is called the duplet shell. So you put 2 electrons here, remaining 9. Alright, so let's add the other, the second shell. As we all know, the second shell is made up of a maximum number of what? 8 electrons. Alright, it's called the octet shell. Okay, so we have 1, 2. Okay, remember. Alright, so far now we have 10 atomic number represented, remaining 1 because sodium has 11 atomic number. So you go to the third shell to complete it, and as we all know that the third shell also has a maximum number of what? 8 electrons. It's also called the octet shell. Alright, both the third, second, fourth shell, they are called what? Octet shell. They have a maximum number of what? 8 electrons. It's only the duplet shell that has a maximum number of 2 electrons. Okay, now which is the first shell. Since it's many 1, we're going to add the 1 here. Okay, so this is now the atomic structure of what? Sodium. So now to write the electron configuration of this diagram. Okay, now electron configurations can be shown as diagram like this, okay, or as numbers like this. Alright, so it will be 2, 8, 1. Okay, so it's either you show it in this form, this diagram, or you show it as numbers like this. Okay, as you can see, this first number represents the first shell, this one represents the second shell, and this one represents what? The third shell. Alright, now note again, if we are to write the group of these elements, alright, you consider the last number. So this is the last number. This shows that this is what? That this element is in group 1. Alright, now if you want to write the period, you consider the numbers we have here. You count how many numbers we have here. You have 3 numbers. Alright, so this shows that this element is what? This element is in period 3. Alright, so the period of this element is what? Period 3, whereas the group is what? Group 1. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Alright, now let's wipe this and look at one more example. If I give you guys a practical chemistry question on this, let's wipe this. Okay, now what if you asked to give the electronic structure of neon? Alright, short form is Ne. I will know that neon is an inert gas and it has 10 atomic number. Alright, so the electron configuration can be shown in a diagram. So the diagram will look like this. This is the first shell, this is the second shell. Alright, so let's represent the electron. The first shell, maximum number of 2 electrons, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 plus 2 give us 10. So it's either you present it in this diagram or you show it as numbers like this. So we have it to be 2 and what? 8. Okay, now for this neon, if you are to write the group, the last number is 8, so it belongs to what? Group 8 of the periodic table, or group 0. Some call it group 0, either call it group 8 or group 0. Alright, whereas the period is in what? Period 2, because we have 2 numbers here so it's what in period 2. Okay, so this is basically how you can figure this out easily. Alright, so having known this, let me give you guys a practical chemistry question on electronic structure and see if you can figure them out. This is very interesting. Let's wipe this. Okay guys, so look at this chemistry practice question. It says give the electronic structure of aluminium. Alright, we are given the atomic number to be 13. The question to give the electronic structure of argon, the atomic number to be 18. Okay, so feel free to pause this video and see if you can figure this out. Okay, so let's do it together. Now for the first question, since the atomic number of aluminium is 13, so we can represent the electron configuration in this diagram. Now let's draw the electronic configuration of aluminium. Okay, so it's going to be something like this. This is the first shell, this is the second shell, and this is the third shell. All right, now the first shell has a maximum number of what? 2 electrons. So we have 1 and 2. This is the nucleus. Second shell has a maximum number of what? 8 electrons. Okay, now we now have 10 electrons represented, remaining what? 3. So you can fit the 3 here. So this is the electron configuration of aluminium, or we can represent it as numbers. It will be 2, 8, and what? 3. So this 3 here, the last number, shows that aluminium is in what? Group 3, and the period is what? Period 3, because we have a total number of 3 numbers. Okay, so that is for this first question. Now for the second question, let's draw the electronic structure of argon. Let's write below. Okay, now for argon has 18 atomic number. Alright, so this will be the first shell, this is the second shell, this will be the third shell. Alright, so let's add this in nucleus. So we have the first shell 2 electrons, second shell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now third shell we have it to be total. Now we have 10 remaining 8. Okay, so you add it here. As we all know, argon is a rare or inert gas. Alright, so this is the electron configuration of argon diagrammatically, or we can represent it as numbers. So it will be 2, 8, 8. So this shows us that argon is in what? Group 8, and it is also in what? In period 3. Okay, so it's as simple as that, guys. Now, what if you ask of hydrogen? Hydrogen has what? 1 atomic number. So hydrogen will just be this. The electronic structure will be something like this. So this is the nucleus. So hydrogen is just what? 1 atomic number. Okay, so this will be the structure or electron configuration. You can present it as number to be 1. This shows that hydrogen is in group 1 and it's also in what? In period 1. Okay, from what we have here. So this basically can deal with problems involving electronic structure of elements, especially the first 20 elements. Hope there's something interesting on this video. Let's close the class here, guys. Now, if you are new to the channel, ensure you check the description of this video below for link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join the Telegram channel for instant notification. So ensure you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Like, share, comment on this video. Let me know how you feel from what I learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding this topic for chemistry, feel free to be a question in the comment section below and I will surely give you a response. Alright, so that's it for this class. Now click on the end screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.